What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I want to kind of go over my auxiliary power setup that I'm going to do on my Jeep. I've always wanted to do this in my previous vehicle when I had my Tacoma, but I never got around to it because it's kind of expensive and not really good at wiring. I wanted to do a dual battery setup, but I think I found a better idea where if I end up selling a Jeep one day, I could still keep my auxiliary battery or my dual battery setup. And if I want to take it in a different vehicle, it's mobile. It's not attached to your vehicle, if you know what I mean. And when I'm not using it in the car, I could take it out, put it on a trickle charger, let it charge, stay fully charged and healthy that way. So let's go over what I got. So this is the battery that I chose. It's the cheapest deep cycle AGM battery that was 100 amp hour that I could find on Amazon, and I think it's for like solar use, but I'm gonna use it for this setup. Now the box that I chose to enclose all this and be as my my charging station, my my power box was this Smart Power Battery Box by Newport Vessel, and this was only $52, which is not bad. It's got a USB on this side, and it's got a like a cigarette lighter plug on this side. But I added this one right here with 2 USBs because these are 2.4 amps and this is only 1 amp, and another 12 volt cigarette style plug there. It's got a voltage meter, it gives you your volts and it gives you your battery percentage, which this one originally also has the same exact thing. And it's got a 10 amp breaker for this USB and this cigarette, and a 60 amp for your, this is for a like a trolling motor, but I'm gonna use this for my overlanding, my camping power. So it's, the battery fits in there, you hook it all up, and then this strap kind of locks it all down. And I mean, it's a heavy box. It's about probably close to 60 pounds, but it works. You could have this set up under, without this, you'll be under $220. Or if you get this, which was like $20, you'll be still under $250. And it's mobile. Like I said, if you sell your car and you go with a different one, just take it out, put it to use in your next vehicle. So that's my setup. So I got it all put together. As you can see, this is the what's called that I added, and if you press it once, it gives you the, I don't know how accurate it is, but the percentage of the charge, and then your volts. And then there's your 2 USBs. But like I said, the original one came with this also. It's got blue lights to show you the indication of where your battery is at. And then if you press it once, it turns on the USB over here. So yeah. And it's got the wing nuts over here, so you could add plug other things in. Like my my diesel heater that I plan on using. I'll just use these to power it, and if later on down the road I want to use a solar panel to charge this, if I'm out a couple of days at a time and I'm running a fridge or something, and I need extra power to recharge it, I could always put a small solar panel to charge it up. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helps out somebody, because like I said, it took me a while to figure this out to what would work for me. So I'll put all the links of all these products. It was all from Amazon. So I'll put them in the description. And good luck with yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.